Oh, Polygon Matic holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the big news of the Polygon Matic. What's going on in this time in the Polygon? What surprise is occurring in the Polygon? What surprise moves in this video I'm going to show you. Before starting this video, please I request everyone to please subscribe my channel. Absolutely, my friends, if you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest update about cryptocurrencies market. At this time, the latest changes of the Polygon Matic is negative, my friends. You can see here the changes occur in the Polygon is negative. The latest changes, I'm talking about the latest update. Negative 1.85% price change occur in the Polygon Matic and negative 1.27% false down occur in the Polygon Matic. Yesterday, my friends. The last 1 hour and the last 24 hours price changes of the chain link Polygon Matic is negative, my friends. So a lot of people message me that what should we do in this critical situation. My friends, don't lose hope. My friends, that's not mean that if the price of the any cryptocurrencies falls down, so you decide to sell. No, my friends, that's a wrong decision. Don't do this mistake. If the change is as a negative, so you have to wait. You have to wait to become again positive, my friends. You have to be patient. Be patient and wait for the huge pump. And I also predicated the Polygon Matic that they will take a huge pump in the July month. The whole July month, the price change of the Polygon Matic is positive, my friends. That's my personal prediction about Polygon Matic. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Polygon? Please tell me in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.